Hello, I'm Nico Yepes, one of Moffin's co-founders and COO, and we help companies in Mexico by giving them access to the same types of software tools and data that a sophisticated bank would use to screen individuals and companies as clients. Whether you're a financial institution trying to figure out if you want to lend $20,000 to a small business, or me, trying to determine who the best person is to take care of my dog, information is important to build trust in business. Companies struggle to get and process data for client screening. Building an in-house solution is challenging and doesn't make sense for most companies. An engineering team for completing data integrations, contracting data providers with high upfront fees, long-term contracts, and minimum volumes, plus months of delays is what comes with creating an in-house solution. And when you're done, the consultation process is still manual in nature, and switching between data providers is painful. At Moffin, we've developed a platform trusted by 70 companies in Mexico to collect information via forms from your clients, access data from many providers, and use software tools to work with and analyze data. It's just not cost efficient for most companies to build an in-house solution when they can rent the infrastructure, software tools, and buy data from Moffin with plans starting at just $120 a month. Let's jump into a demo for a company using Moffin to screen clients for small business loans. This is our configuration page. If you don't have an account with a data provider you're interested in using, no problem. When you create an account with Moffin, the default is that you use our credentials to connect with the data sources. You can also link your own credentials. With this option, all you pay for is our software service. One example of the tools available on our platform is our form builder, which is helpful for creating custom forms to get data from clients. Simply check the boxes for the data sources that you want, and we'll generate a unique URL to a white label site for your clients. Here's an example client intake form. This is what your client sees: your company logo, all the fields you need, plus the legal language needed to access data and comply with any regulation. Now, to review the data requested by your company, you have several options. Once your client has completed the necessary forms, the data you've requested will be available through our site, as you see here, through API, and through Google Sheets tools. Here's an example data report. This is a credit report. You can download it as a JSON file or as a PDF. Another feature of our platform is the auto evaluation tool. Here we help companies lower operating expenses and save time through auto-generated summaries of new client screenings. Pass us your criteria for pre-approving a loan, and we'll generate a one-pager for the most important takeaways. In terms of traction, we know this is a huge problem because over the last 2 years, we've accumulated more than 70 corporations as active clients and over $1 million of annual recurring revenue. We're working with clients across a wide range of industries, from the banks and fintechs that we started Moffin to help, as well as real estate and technology companies and multinationals such as Walmart. Moffin software has helped startups to launch credit products in weeks. Moffin has helped dozens of non-bank financial institutions digitize their client screening process and boost operational capacity by more than 30 times. And Moffin has also helped enterprise clients launch new products and scale them quickly. We're particularly interested in working with more enterprise clients that want to grow in Latin America. Moffin provides value not only to its clients, but also to the data providers on its platform. Data providers clearly stand to benefit from being on Moffin's platform as they have access to our client base. There are also several less obvious benefits, such as our sandbox environment, no-code solutions, transparent billing layer, and complementarity with other data sources. As we think of the market, we like to break it down by use cases. There are over 5,000 financial institutions in Mexico that could benefit from using Moffin's platform, representing an opportunity greater than $1 billion. We see even larger markets around use cases for real estate, hiring, and validation for distributors and suppliers. To date, we've raised $350,000 from investors such as RallyCap. In August of 2023, we reached profitability. Our ask is simple. If you're a data provider that wants to be part of Moffin, an investor that wants to help fuel our growth, or a company that wants a centralized platform to access and work with data for client screening, let's get in touch.